Pick the lock as fast as you can. You're gonna get 2 minutes to pick both locks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 2 minutes is starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. On this board, it'll be Josh versus Donald and Chad versus Gennady on that board. You gotta start with your tools on the table.
I'm going to do the jiggle method, and if that doesn't work, I might put my finger on the pad.
On your mark, get set, go. Time, ladies and gentlemen. And in the first bracket, we have Donald winning.
We have the reigning champion here on the left, Jordan. And then we got Sergey. And like, if I ever had to get into anything, I would call Sergey. So like, that's my guy if I was gonna bet on anything. The reigning champion's still struggling over there. He switched to the other lock.
I'm going for the classic swivel method.
Eric got one.
Chris is done. Got a battle on the right, 1-1. Eric Brown advances, ladies and gentlemen. You guys got 20 seconds, 20 seconds.
Dylan Tyler's going pin by pin, taking his time. Levi just going full fury.
He's broke the torque tool.
No seeming success at all from either side. Craig has already broken a torque tool. They are pickable.
Got one. Got it.
Good job, Brandon. Aaron Beaver advances. Get set, go.
I'll pick the locks faster than Chris.
I've never done this before.
Chris, you got them both. Andrew
Oh, Greg's the only one.